Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 9, that is solid, liquid and gas. So, in this chapter, we will understand about solid like chair, table, pen, pencil, whatever solid things present around us. Then we discussed about liquid, that is water, and then we discussed about gas, that is air. So let's begin this chapter. So whatever things present around us, if you observe around your house, around yourself, you will find that there are so many things are present. Like here, this is a liquid water, and this bottle is what? Solid. Or this this pen is what? This pen is a solid, and inside this pen there is a gel. Okay, so you can consider it like liquid. So this is solid, water is liquid, and gas, like I am breathing air, this whole room is filled with air, so this is what? Gas. So whatever things present around us, normally we have these three types of things: solid, liquid and gas. So all the things which is present around us, they occupy some space. See, if I put this here, so it occupies some space. Then they have some mass. The number of molecules present in this is called the mass of this thing. Then these all things are made up of matter. So what is matter? Matter is anything which can occupy some space and has some mass is called matter. And matter includes all substances, items and objects, maybe solid, maybe liquid, or maybe gas. So here we will study about this. So if you observe in your book, there is a picture is given. The picture given below shows different types of visible and invisible matter. See the picture and answer the questions that follow. So if you have to observe this picture and then you have to give the answer present below. So here some things are visible, some things are maybe invisible. So we have to give answer the questions given here. So the number one question is, do you think trees in the park occupy space? The answer is yes, trees occupy some space. Number two, can you name some invisible matter in the picture? Yes, air, some bacteria are also there which we are not able to see. Some germs are present. So these are what? Or in the air, water vapor is present. So this is called what? Invisible. Next, do you think invisible matter also occupies space? Yes, air occupies space. So yes. Next, can you see all the things floating on water? Can you see all the things floating on water? Yes, normally here in the picture some plants are floating, some lotus plant, water lilies are there which are floating, so we are able to see those things which are floating on the air. But yes, there are some microscopic organisms which are also floating on the surface. So this is the question pattern. Now we will discuss the next, or the amount of space that matter takes is called the volume. Anything which is made up of matter that occupies some space, and the space occupied that thing is called the volume. So in simple words, the amount of space that matter takes is called its volume. The amount of space that matter takes is called its volume. And all the matters like this occupy some space. So this is the volume of a matter. Next, matter is made up of very tiny particles. matter is made up of very tiny particles, and these particles are called molecules. And molecules can exist independently. Molecules can exist independently in the nature. Molecules can exist independently in the nature, and they are very small, that with our open eyes, with our naked eyes, we are not able to see these molecules. To observe these molecules, we need an instrument called microscope. And nowadays there are electron microscope is also there, so we are able to see these molecules. And the molecules is made by atom, so we are able to see that atom also. An atom is made up of still small particles, we are able to see them also. So nowadays we developed a lot, and we are able to see those small particles also by the help of some instruments or some machines. Now these molecules join together to form matter. Okay, small particles of matter. So this pen is made up of matter, means molecules, they join together and form this structure. Smallest particles, small particles, they form this solid, and this solid, this matter has able to occupy some space, and that amount of space is called the volume of this pen. So class, I hope you are able to understand the introduction lecture of chapter 9, solid, liquid and gas, and three definitions are there: what is matter, what is volume, and what is molecule. I hope you are able to understand, class. If any problem, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.